Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a glam Halloween set, which is absolutely what I wanted to do, and it was one of the last few videos I had left. And then when I got that pine polish and it came with that stuff in it, or those stickers, I was like, yes, I need to use it. Perfect. So we are doing a reverse French here. So I am taking the Builder Gel color soft pink, I believe. Baby pink. I'm sorry, I don't remember. So we're doing a reverse French here. And what I'm doing is building the back half, curing, and then I come in with a second layer after I have cured to build up that free edge more, because you really want that free edge. So when you come in here and file, then you can add your white. So I actually have a discount code for 15% off, and they are on Amazon. And as of right now, the current set is $16.99, I believe. So I will put that link down there. And again, that coupon code, they didn't say an expiration date, so I'm assuming there isn't one as of yet. Okay, so we applied that white polish. By polish, I mean Builder Gel, and this is Perfect White by Light Elegance. I had a small sample size of it, and I was like, well, I kind of want to use it up. Yes, so we are adding that, and I had to leave this in. So I was actually on TikTok live doing this, so the beginning first two nails, not the best filming, if I'm gonna say so myself, but I had to add this in here because look at how satisfying that is. Don't worry, we like fix it. That's not just how it's gonna stay, okay? Once I file that all down, I'm coming in with that web decal, and it's super pretty. You can see I'm kind of like, do I want it there? Do I want to move it? Like, I wasn't 100% sure on the placement, but I'm so happy with it now. And I'm currently still wearing the nails. I think it's been a week because I loved them so much. And it helped that it was like one of the last ones I had to film because I got my e-file in, because RIP previous e-file during a series that I wanted to film. Yeah. No struggle there. Okay, so we are top coating that. I'm using Super Shiny. I do double top coat on top. I haven't had any issues with the stickers coming up, and they were super sticky. Also, take off your inhibition layer. Otherwise, you'll see later I struggle. Okay, coming in with that Perfect White again, and we are going to do a full nail of this, 2 coats. So I wanted a Celestial Glam Halloween kit. By kit, I mean set of nails. And it doesn't really make sense, but for me it did, and I just absolutely loved it. So I hope you guys do too. So what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 moons here on the pinky nail, and you can see I didn't take off that sticky layer, so we gonna struggle a little bit, and I cut most of it out. So taking a smaller moon and coming up front, and then I actually put a brass brad in the back once I build this up, because I'm actually encapsulating this these decals. I am taking Stick It Down, which I think I already have down, and then I'm taking that brass, and then make sure you really top coat that. So give yourself room to top coat that so it does not tarnish. All right, taking this big moon, so you can see where I'm getting this celestial type vibes, and we add a few other elements as well, but look at how cool this moon is. So it is a moon with that haunted house with the bats. I loved this one. So I kind of wanted it to be my feature-ish nail, but then I also fell in love with another one. I like them all different. It's like your children, right? You love them all differently. So I'm putting a layer of IBD gel down first, and then we are going to take some tiny, tiny, tiny gold stars, and I loved how this came out. They kind of stuck together a little bit, but I cut out all of me fidgeting, trying to break them apart. Don't worry. So I add, I believe, 2 up top and then 3 in the bottom. Flash cured that, and now I'm coming in with my slip layer, and then we will do the blob. All right, so I'm taking the Smelt It. No, it's not Smelt It. It's the Mia Secret one, whatever the blooming gel type is. And we are going to take 43, maybe 44, whatever the white polish is from Ugly Duckling, because that's the only white polish I have. And I'm just going to just kind of drop it on because I want it to marble. And then I drop too much on because, you know, it's just my luck. So I kind of come in and scrape it off a little bit, and then I actually cure this. I was literally messing with what I wanted to do with most of these, and I end up choosing the skeleton hand and then some bats, and I absolutely loved it. Take off your inhibition layer. You can see me messing with it here. We're gonna do a little encapsulating. This one wasn't like needing too much structure, but still I needed to build it up just a little bit. This nail's pretty epic, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm taking that pink again, that builder gel, and I don't remember the name of it. I'm so sorry. Took off the layer this time. And now I am putting that pumpkin down. So I'm trying to build a scene here. So what I'm doing is putting that pumpkin down, putting this little cat down, because you can't have Halloween without a black cat, but this is gold in this case. Took another small moon because again, we're doing that celestial kind of moment here. And we have 3 nails that now have moons on them. So, and stars, you catching? So I'm taking the tombstone with the cross and then the floating ghost, and then I add some white at the bottom because I'm like, yeah, I'm taking that smelted gel because I kind of wanted like this like smoky effect. And then once it started going over the gold, I was like, no, I have to have all the gold show. So it just goes downhill. So I wipe most of it off and just kind of take it up. So All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the 13 nights of Halloween and are paying attention to the videos for some clues. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.